In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to renew Liberty Car Insurance online. Renewing your Liberty Car Insurance online is one of the easiest ways to keep your coverage active without needing to visit a branch in person. It can save time, and in most cases, the process is designed to be simple and convenient. Just keep in mind that the exact screens, options, and features may vary depending on your country and the specific Liberty company that issued your policy. To begin, go to the official Liberty Insurance website for your region. Once you're there, look for a section labeled Car Insurance Renewal, Renew Policy, or something similar. Many Liberty insurers have a dedicated renewal portal, which makes it easier to find the correct place to continue. Next, enter the policy details requested by the website. This usually includes your policy number, your vehicle registration number, and in some cases an engine or chassis number if the system asks for it. You may also be asked to provide your mobile number and email address. These details help the system locate your current policy and bring up your renewal information accurately, so it's important to enter everything carefully. After that, take some time to review your existing coverage. This is an important part of the renewal process because it gives you a chance to confirm that your policy still fits your current needs. Check your coverage limits, review your deductible, and make sure your contact information is up to date. If the renewal portal allows it, you may also be able to add or remove optional coverages. Once your coverage details are confirmed, the system will usually display your renewal premium. Review the premium amount carefully and look over any discounts that may be applied. This is also a good time to confirm that all policy information shown on the screen is correct before moving forward. When everything looks right, complete the payment using one of the available methods. Depending on the website, this may include a credit card, debit card, online banking, or another digital payment option. After the payment is processed successfully, your renewal is typically confirmed electronically. The final step is to download your renewed policy document. Save a copy on your phone or computer so you can access it whenever needed. If local regulations require a printed copy, go ahead and print one as well. In many cases, the renewed policy will also be sent to your registered email address. For a smoother renewal experience, try to renew before your policy expires so you can avoid any lapse in coverage. Also, double-check your vehicle and personal details, compare any available coverage options, and keep your policy documents stored somewhere safe and easy to access. That's it. Renewing your Liberty Car Insurance online is usually a straightforward process. Visit the official website, enter your details, review your coverage and premium, make your payment, and download your renewed policy. Always use the official website for your region and review everything carefully before completing the renewal.